Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. And today just wanted to share with you about taking a photo from your phone and making it look a lot nicer using Google's Snapseed. So somebody in my hiking group on Facebook posted some photos like, wow, those look great. What camera are you using? He said he's using his iPhone and Snapseed. So Snapseed, by the way, is by Google, and it's a very, very popular app. You can see it's got a rating of 4.6 and it's got over 1 million reviews. So it's really awesome. So what you need to do is you need to go into Snapseed, and then you're going to click on the plus sign, and then you are going to scroll and find that photo. So we're going to find the photo. Now, what he said we need to do is you need to click on, this is the steps that he did, Tools and Details. And then what you're going to do is press the middle icon there on the bottom middle. And then you're going to click, you have Sharpen or Structure. So he suggested using Structure. And then you're going to click the plus sign. Now, I think you can also adjust if you go right to left. So you can adjust there. You could see the difference. And you find where you like that at that level there. And you click the check sign. Then you're going to go to Tools, and you are going to go here to HDRscape. And there you go. And then you can adjust there and really make it into a really pretty photo. And then you have you can adjust the brightness, so you can really saturation, so you can really play with it. And then you just click check, and that's it. And then you just export it, and then you save it, and there you go. And then what you would do is it would be in your Snapseed folder. So you just go down to Snapseed. Now I was playing with this before, and I think this was the first one that I played with a little bit, and the second one. So you could see the difference, even how you can really brighten that up. And I also, into albums, I was showing him the difference here. So the top one was the original photo, and then the bottom is when I use a Snapseed. Now I did it quickly, but it really can give you an idea how you can really sharpen up the photo. And Snapseed is a really sweet app. So, and it's free. So just wanted to share this with you. And if you have any other suggestions in Snapseed that's working for you, leave those comments below. But I appreciate your time, and I appreciate this person in my group. And if you're into hiking and are in Georgia, feel free to join our group. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.